Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Aang from Avatar The Last Airbender. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off near the top and let's draw the head. Let's start with two curves for the tops of the eyes. And then a small line at the ends. Now to continue drawing, I'm going to zoom in. Underneath each eye, let's draw a circle towards the center. Then let's draw another circle in the top left. And then a circle in the middle behind. And now let's color the middle ones in black. Now let's add a small curve underneath each eye. And then lastly, a small angled line up on the inside here. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's hop on top and let's draw the eyebrows. Let's start with a curve on top of each eye. Then from the inside, let's angle it up. And then a curve out to the end. And now let's color both of these in black. Next, let's move underneath and let's draw the nose. Underneath, let's draw two small curves for the nostrils. And then a curve on both sides. Next, let's hop to the sides and let's draw an angle down and in for the sides of the head. And then curve it to the bottom, meeting at a point for the chin. Next, inside, let's add the mouth. Underneath the nose, let's draw a curve across. And then another one underneath. Now inside, let's add a small curve at the bottom for the tongue. And then lastly, another curve underneath the mouth. And that's it for the face. Now let's hop to the top and let's draw the shape of the head. Let's draw a curve up and around to close off the head like this. Now inside, let's draw two lines down from the top. Then let's bring it out on both sides. And a V-shaped point underneath to form an arrow. Next, let's hop to the sides and add the ears. Let's draw a curve on the left and on the right. Then inside, let's add a curve from the top and a bump at the bottom. And lastly, one more curve up in the middle. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and let's draw the body. Let's start under the head and let's draw two small lines down for the neck. Then underneath, let's draw a wavy line up on both sides like this. Then a curve down from the sides and angles back in to close it off. Now from the bottom corners, let's draw a wavy line down and out like this. Then hop to the center and let's draw a skinny V-shaped point up. And then a wavy line to close off the bottom of each side. Next, let's hop underneath and let's draw the sides of the body with a line down and curve it in at the bottom. And then connect them with a curve across. Now underneath, for the waistband, let's step in from the sides and let's draw a small line down and another curve at the bottom. Now underneath, we'll start drawing the pants. From the sides, let's bring it down and angle it in at the bottom. Now top to the center and let's draw a V-shaped point up. And again, angles going out from the bottom like this. Now underneath, let's draw another bent line out and in on both sides. Next, underneath each of the legs, let's draw a set of curves on an angle. And then 2 curves at the bottom. Now for the feet, let's draw angled lines down and out underneath each leg. And then a curve at the bottom to close it off. And lastly, let's add a curve inside each foot. And that's it for the legs and feet. Now let's move back up and let's add the arms. Let's start by drawing 2 lines down and out like this. And then close off the end. Now inside the arm, let's draw 2 curves near the bottom, and then 2 more higher up at the elbow. Now let's add the hand at the bottom. We'll start with a small curve down and back up for the thumb. Then underneath, let's curve it around and back up for the rest of the hand. And that's it for the right arm. Now let's move over to the left side. For this one, let's draw 2 angled lines going downwards. And then close off the end. And again, inside the arm, let's draw 2 curves at the bottom. And then 2 more at the elbow. Now at the bottom, let's draw the hand holding the glider staff. We'll start with the curve down and curve it out like this. Then let's draw a U-shaped curve up. And now before we finish off the other side of the hand, let's start drawing the staff. Let's draw 2 angled lines down and out, stopping about here. Now let's move back up to the sleeve and let's draw the other side of the hand by curving it down like this. Now let's continue drawing the staff. At the bottom, let's draw a pointed V shape from both sides. Then continue the angled lines down and out. And then close off the end. Now inside that pointed section, let's draw a small circle. Now let's continue the staff going up. Let's start on top of the hand and let's continue that angle up and into the body. And then continue it starting from the shoulder, going up. And then another angle from the top of the ear. Now at the top, let's add another V-shaped point on both sides. Then add 2 small circles inside. Now let's continue the staff with another 2 angles up. And then close off the end. And that's it for Aang. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!